Today I'm going to talk about three important aspects, which are minimum, maximum, and sum functions in Python list. Right? We will discuss each with the example, with real life example. Right? You just see this video, right? So first of all, we will discuss the minimum function. So what is that? The minimum function returns the smallest value from a list. Right? So this is the syntax of minimum, right? Function minimum keyword, then after we will write the name of list, right, in which we are going to find the minimum value, right? So now we have a example one with the we have a list of what marks of students, right? We are going to find the minimum marks, right? Then I will write the name of, so we will write the minimum marks, right? Then after I will write the keyword minimum, then after I will write the name of list, right? So now I will print on the screen and you will get what? This is the output, right? So we have 78, 92, 65, 88, 95. We are going to get what? The 65, because 65 are minimum marks, right? So in the next we will talk about maximum function, right? What is that? The maximum function returns the largest value from a list, right? So this is the syntax of maximum function. Maximum keyword, then after we will write the name of list, right? We want to find the maximum value, right? So this is the original marks list, right? Now I am going to find the maximum marks, right? So I will write the maximum marks, right? Then after I will write the name of what maximum keyword, then after I will write the name of list, right? Now I will print on the screen. This is the maximum marks. So 95 is the largest value from what? The given list. So in the last we are going to discuss about sum function, right? What is that? The sum function returns the total of all numeric values in a list, right? So this is the syntax of what? The sum function. Sum, then after we will write the name of list, right? We want to sum the all elements of list, right? So now I will print prices, right? We will write the total sum of prices, right? Total prices. Now I will run this program. So this is the output, right? So this is all about the what? The minimum, maximum, sum functions in Python list, right? So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next Python tutorial, which is called count method in Python list, right? If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.